It's important to be very careful when using the oven. It will become very hot and could cause injury. Check that the oven shelves are at the right height for the food you're going to cook before you turn on the oven. Turn on the oven and set to the temperature you need. For example, 200 degrees centigrade or gas mark 6. To get the best results, let the oven heat up before you knead it. Open the oven door and, wearing oven gloves, slide the tray or dish onto the shelf you want. When the food is cooked, open the oven door and remove it, wearing oven gloves. The oven gets really hot, so take care when you're putting food in and taking food out of the oven. Always wear oven gloves.